Imagine an island paradise just off Bali's coast, where crystal clear waters and soft sands meet jagged cliffs and thunderous waves. But here's the twist, this isn't your typical peaceful getaway. Nusa Lembongan has a side that's as fierce and unpredictable as it is beautiful. Is it a sanctuary of calm or an untamed force waiting to be unleashed? Stay with us as we delve into the mysteries and breathtaking contrasts of Nusa Lembongan. Could it be Bali's hidden paradise, or are you stepping into nature's fury? Just a short boat ride from Bali, Nusa Lembongan is often overshadowed by its famous neighbor. But those who venture here discover an island with its own unique charm and captivating mysteries. Today, we're diving into some of the island's most intriguing spots. We'll explore landscapes that are peaceful and serene, and others that are beautifully wild, unpredictable, and maybe even a little dangerous. So let's jump right into our first destination and see what Nusa Lembongan is all about. First stop, Devil's Tear. This spot is one of the island's most talked about attractions, and it's easy to see why. Imagine waves crashing into rugged cliffs, creating dramatic sprays of ocean water that can reach up to 15 feet high. There's a thrill in the air at Devil's Tear, as the powerful waves roll in and collide with the rocky coast. It's the perfect mix of beauty and danger, and that's what makes it so captivating. But don't let the name scare you off. Devil's Tear is a popular destination for those who crave the excitement of witnessing nature's force up close. It's a photographer's dream, especially during sunset, when the golden light hits the water sprays, creating stunning visuals. In fact, Devil's Tear might just be one of the most picturesque places on Nusa Lembongan. Yet, it's more than just a beautiful view. This place represents the wild, untamed side of Nusa Lembongan, the part that keeps you on your toes. The unpredictability of the waves crashing against the rocks reminds us of nature's incredible power. Here, the island reveals its raw and rugged side, challenging the idea of paradise with every wave. Now, let's shift gears and head over to Dream Beach. As the name suggests, this place feels like stepping into a dream. Unlike Devil's Tear, Dream Beach is all about relaxation and calm. It's a small stretch of soft, white sand bordered by clear turquoise water. Here, you won't find the roaring waves or dramatic cliffs. Instead, you're surrounded by tranquility and beauty. Dream Beach is perfect for sunbathing, swimming, or simply soaking in the peaceful vibes. It's the kind of place where time seems to slow down, where you can lay back and lose yourself in the beauty of the island. For many travelers, this is the true paradise they've been searching for. It's a place that invites you to forget about the world and just enjoy the moment. But what's interesting is how close Dream Beach is to Devil's Tear. These two spots couldn't be more different, yet they coexist side by side. It's a reminder that Nusa Lembongan is an island of contrasts, a place that embodies both serenity and adventure. And that's what makes exploring it so exciting, you never know what's around the corner. Next up, let's venture into the Mangrove Forest on the northern side of the island. This part of Nusa Lembongan is often overlooked, but it offers an experience unlike any other. Imagine gliding quietly through a maze of mangrove trees, with calm, glassy water reflecting the greenery all around you. It's peaceful, almost otherworldly, as if you've entered a hidden part of the island that few get to see. Here, local guides offer boat tours that take you deep into the mangroves, where you can truly appreciate the unique ecosystem of Nusa Lembongan. The Mangrove Forest is home to a wide variety of birds and marine life, adding a layer of biodiversity that many travelers might not expect. For ecotourists and nature lovers, this is a paradise within a paradise. It's a reminder of the delicate balance that exists on this island, between the land and sea, and between tourism and conservation. As we explore this natural sanctuary, let's take a moment to support this channel. If you're enjoying this journey through Nusa Lembongan, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Top Travel, and hit that notification bell. This way, you'll never miss out on our latest travel adventures and tips. Let's keep exploring. Now, we're off to Manta Point, where we'll take things below the surface, literally. This spot is a famous dive site where travelers can swim alongside one of the ocean's most majestic creatures, the manta ray. The water here is rich in plankton, attracting large numbers of manta rays that glide effortlessly through the blue. For anyone who loves marine life, Manta Point is an absolute must-see. Seeing these gentle giants up close is an experience that many describe as life-changing. It's peaceful and mesmerizing, as you watch them soar through the water with a grace that's hard to describe. And it's yet another example of the contrasts that define Nusa Lembongan, wild waves above and serene beauty below. Swimming with manta rays feels like stepping into another world. It's humbling, and it reminds us that Nusa Lembongan is not just about what's on the surface. There's an entire world beneath the waves that's just as beautiful and mysterious. For our next stop, we'll get a bird's-eye view of the island from Panorama Point. This scenic overlook offers one of the best views of Nusa Lembongan, and on clear days, you can even spot Mount Agung in the distance. From here, you get a true sense of the island's layout, from the beaches to the cliffs and even the surrounding ocean. Panorama Point is popular for sunrise and sunset, and it's an ideal spot for photos or simply taking in the view. It's moments like these that make you appreciate the beauty of Nusa Lembongan, not just as a destination, but as an experience. The view from Panorama Point encapsulates everything that makes this island so special, the combination of land, sea, and sky in perfect harmony. Standing at this vantage point, you realize that Nusa Lembongan is more than just a destination. It's a place that makes you feel alive, that challenges your senses, and that constantly surprises you with its beauty and diversity. Our final stop on this journey is the iconic Yellow Bridge, connecting Nusa Lembongan to its smaller neighbor, Nusa Senengan. The bridge itself is a vibrant, cheerful yellow that stands out against the blue waters below. It's become a symbol of the connection between the two islands and a popular spot for travelers looking for a unique photo opportunity. Crossing the bridge feels like stepping into another adventure, as Nusa Senengan offers its own hidden gems. The Yellow Bridge is a reminder that Nusa Lembongan is part of a larger network of islands, each with its own character and charm. It's a symbol of exploration, of the bridges we build and the journeys we take. So, is Nusa Lembongan a hidden paradise or nature's fury? In truth, it's both. It's a place of contrasts, calm beaches and wild cliffs, serene mangroves and thrilling waves, gentle manta rays and dramatic sunsets. Nusa Lembongan is an island that doesn't fit into just one box, and that's exactly what makes it so unforgettable. For those seeking beauty, adventure, or peace, this island has something to offer. Nusa Lembongan invites you to experience its mysteries, to discover its secrets, and to see for yourself why it's become a must-visit destination. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Nusa Lembongan. Until next time, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next adventure.